And it's all about real love.
I got some things from Star. So yeah, this apartment is so beautiful.
And I know the streets cold, I can't make shit up. Baby girl, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
A breath of fresh air. Oh, nice. It's not dusty. Don't joke with it. The time is the time. I don't know if that's my flight. Why am I still sitting here? Let me cross check. Jeez. If you want to leave us. Okay, that's us, guys. Anyway, good morning. Let me confirm. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another day, same vlog. I'm at the airport now, obviously, and I'm waiting for them to call us to start boarding. I'm really early. I got here early. Checking in was smooth, no issue, nothing. Thank God for that. My dad dropped me. Tell me why this airline people were like, okay, why are you with your daughter here? She's big, oh, like she can take care of herself. Nigerians are amiable. What's my father's business? He's here to drop his jewel, his princess. That's what the girl said. Your jewel, you have to bring your jewel to the airport. Anyway, we'll soon leave very soon. You said the airplane just got here. I'm suspecting that's the airplane, the one beside the other airline. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you got to this point, do all to subscribe, like this video, drop your comments and share. I don't know where I dropped my lip gloss. I feel like I checked it inside my toilet bag rather. So my lips are kind of dry. So yeah, I didn't even gist you guys. I was up till 5 a.m. straightening all my wigs. I straightened this one. I straightened the what's it called? The long one, the bob. I'm traveling with 3 wigs. I just wore this hairband that I got from the bridesmaids package just to hold the hair. It doesn't fly. When I get to Lagos, I'll eat some fisha. Okay, see you guys. Enjoy the flight. Fly with me. Should I remove this hairband? I should. It's better now. Anyway, we are on the plane and we'll be taking off very soon. We started boarding early. They actually sent a message around 2:38 a.m. when I was straightening my wig, and they're like, check-in is going to close 45 minutes before departure time. And like, people are not joking. You see the first flight, that first morning flight, don't joke with it. The time is the time. Like, the time is literally the time. Anything around 3 o'clock, 7, they are definitely going to push it forward. Oh my god. Anyway, en route, we're going to the west. Let me show you guys outside. Oh, that's Max Air. I flew Max Air when I was coming to Abuja. Like, just how many days ago? I've really traveled this year. And I remember when I used to like dream of always traveling, living in Abuja. Like, now it has become back to back. Anyway, thank God for everything. And yeah. Another phase, what do I use now? Another challenge. Okay. These kind of things in our life. Hi guys, this will be my space for the next I don't know. Okay, so yeah, speaker room, outfit check. This is me. We have a sticker board. Oh yeah, I know. A breath of fresh air. I'm in Lagos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment, and of course, tune in for more videos. So I'm officially filming my back camera and my light because I'm facing the mirror and I can see myself, like I can mirror myself in my camera. Clock it. How'd you guys do it? And you shall see, yeah, this apartment is so beautiful. First of all, let's do a room tour as YouTubers usually do on this platform. Let's go. So this is the door, of course, the mirror, of course. Then we have a wardrobe, the bed. I'm gonna be sharing this space. Yeah, so we have an AC. The ceiling is quite high up. Then this is the bathroom. Look at my slippers. There's a rug here, and guys, I love rugs a lot. So I can decide not to have my slippers on it, which is actually good. Then we have a fan. There's a chair there. This is the bathroom. Toilet by my left. I cannot show you. It's not dirty, but I don't know, it's just me. Then we have this. We have this space here. Half, or what I call this, full moon, half moon mirror, water heater. Of course, window. One window there to let air escape. We have the curtains. I don't know what my view looks like, but this is it. And yeah, so I'll see you guys much later. This is already, what's the time now? Let me check. Time is 9:14. So I have to unpack and wait for my second roommate to get in here. I also want to sweep the floor. It's just me. Like here, just giving as if I'm in my house, right? So if I unpack, I don't know. I'm not like, it's not like here is dirty, but that's just the vibe I have right now. Let me just make it comfortable before the next person comes here to join me. Anyway, I'll see you guys. Is the TV working? Did I show you guys the TV? Yeah, that's the TV. And my books. Period. I think we'll be doing some get ready with me. We'll be doing get ready with me videos. Okay, well, if you have time for that, because we're here for serious business, like I said, we're here for serious business. Okay, let's unpack. I need tissue to clean the wardrobe in case. I thought so I need to get tissue to clean the wardrobe just in case there's dust. I don't think there's dust, but like just to be sure. Get me. Where did I put tissue? Okay. So, guys, and I have to be up early again tomorrow. Okay, guys, so this is the wardrobe, right? So what if I give the person the whole of this side, right? And I take this side so that we have like two equal shelves. Just that there's no slab here. Do you get? And I need to bring hangers. I'll just take it up and here, and then she takes the whole of this side. Then we can keep our boxes maybe up here. I don't even know. Oh, nice. It's not dusty. Okay. Fair enough. I'm still not going to put my clothes directly on this wardrobe. Let me just clean everywhere. Then down here for our shoes. Okay. Let's see, what's the case? I'm sure it's paint. think I dropped this here. Let me just clean here. You guys, unpacking is one of the toughest things to do. I want to just take juice. I brought this. Something was telling me to pack snacks, get beans. Is that rain? Get like, you know, food stuff. There's a whole ass kitchen. I'm gradually unpacking. I want to put my skincare products. So I want to put my skincare products here. So I carried my Wi-Fi just in case. I don't want to hear a story. So the first person that arrived in this apartment, the person sprayed the whole room. So that was awesome. Oh no, that's for toiletries. Okay, this is for like skincare-ish. The good thing is that we can also lock our door. So yeah, let me unpack. Actually, I want to find something to watch right now, but my tab is not far from you, but it's just me being lazy. Just tired. Okay. Guys, I have my tripod, but this thing is not sturdy again. Like, it's not strong. This part. So I just have to manage it. I don't even know how I'm going to do it, but then my phone shall not follow. The only problem here is that the lighting is not so great. But we can manage it. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Fair enough. Not bad. Guys, I just found a position for my tripod. I hope I'm in this camera. Okay. Let's get out to packing. I'm packing. I'm going to place this tissue on the wardrobe platform before I place my clothes. So let's do that. I can't show you guys because before I position this tripod there, if I shift it, voila. Here I stored my sanitary pad and tissue. Unfortunately, I don't have any hanger. My jewelry box, so pretty. Which one is? Hey, oh my god. Okay, I'm right. I turned it upside down. So here, I got this thing from Temu. It's super useful. It's terrible. Guys, this is a parlor. Wow. There's even PS5. I'm here to get broom packer. I want to sweep. God, who gets broom packer? Hey, nothing. No. How we go do? I have an allergy. Oh my god. I went downstairs to check for what's it called? Broom packer. I didn't see. I want to check it because anyway, I got some things from Star. just toilet detergent. Hi loves, I've changed now and it's time to say goodnight. We have unpacked. My roommate is here. She has unpacked too. Yeah, this is what is left. Oh, this is what we have now. So I'm gonna be on that side and we'll find maybe small cups. Then our towels and skincare. Yeah. So now we're trying to figure out how the heater works. We've gone to talk to the caretaker to see what he can do for us. So yeah, I'll call it a night. It's time to sleep. Anyway, good night.